Hello, how are you? This video is going to be about placing cabinets. If you look over here at my plan, you can see I've already placed some kitchen cabinets. These are some standard cabinets that are already loaded into Revit. You just need to select them and go from there and place them about. Now sometimes you might have to custom make some cabinets, which is can be pretty difficult when it comes to using the family editor. But I did make one for this angled spot right here. However, I decided not to use it. And let me get rid of that one. But placing cabinets is pretty simple. You just go to component. Anytime you're going to place anything like that, you just go to component. And right now I have a base cabinet double door 30 inch. Now that's talking about 30 inches wide. Okay, so when you're placing these things, you can see there all the measurements and everything kind of pop up on the screen. Now it's 30 inches wide, so when you're placing it, you have to, if you're not placing it on the right hand wall, you have to kind of spin it around so that it's facing in the right direction. So if I want to place this one right here, first I'm just going to place it. Okay, and then I'm going to rotate it. I'm just going to select it, rotate, click on that rotate icon right here, and spin it around like so. Make sure you get it at 90 degrees straight up and down, which you can read the angle right there to the right. Okay, and now from there you just move it and place it against the wall. It's pretty smart. It kind of recognizes when it's on the wall, and it will click for you. To kind of get an idea of what these look like, I'll create a view. Okay, and I'm just going to select a section to make a section view, and we'll do that. Okay, and then I want to double click on it and just need to kind of move it a little bit this way. And there's the cabinet. You see I didn't place it correctly. Okay, so you have to kind of watch what you're doing there. Let me go back to floor level. And maybe it was in the right direction, but the good thing that you can go between these different levels and see what you're actually placing, double check everything. So I think it was already at the right orientation. Okay, up against the wall, I'm going to click my cutaway view here. There it is. That was correct. It had already come in the correct direction. So just kind of have to play around with it a little bit. I think it was like that because that was the last direction that I had used it in. So it continued to stay in that that orientation. So that's really it as far as placing cabinets. Right now they do not have cabinet tops on them, and we will do that one in a later video. So basically it's just a plain wooden cabinet. If you were to look over the top of them, it would just be a hole there. 3D view here, and coming around to our kitchen cabinets. See, there's our kitchen cabinets, and they're just open at the top right now because they're going to have cabinet tops or countertops put on them. Okay, so make sure you're setting them in there in the right direction. Again, go into your 3D view to view what you have placed to make sure that all is good. And that's the end of this video.